Welcome to Article Factory Channel. Natural laxative recipe: eat this and you'll empty your bowels and excess fluids. The reasons behind constipation, uneven defecation consisting of irregular bowel movements is an unusual health and wellness concern impacting 1 in 10 individuals. There are a variety of aspects that create this awkward problem, amongst which lack of exercise, extreme tension, age, particular sorts of medicines consisting of some vitamin supplements, shortage in fiber as well as water, and also a lot more. There are quickly readily available non-prescription laxatives which could deal with irregularity. There's no much better as well as much safer option for this problem compared to all natural solutions, which by the means, are as reliable. One such all-natural recipe is the one we suggest right here. It's likewise recognized by the name the Health Center Jam, as also medical professionals suggest it to clients as a result of its 100% effectiveness. Besides dealing with the most awful bowel irregularity, this dish is entirely all-natural and also secure to make use of, suggesting it does not create any type of undesirable results. On the bonus side, the very easy approach of prep work is an additional point you'll like concerning it. Read on for detailed instructions on how to deal with the discomforts caused by constipation and bloating with one simple recipe. Natural laxative jam recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of prunes, pitted, 1 cup of dates, pitted, 5 cups of boiling water. Directions: boil 5 cups of water. Chop the dates and prunes nicely, then add them to the boiling water. Cook until you get jam-like mixture. If cooked properly, you'll get around 20 tablespoons homemade jam, which is great for children too. One way to use it is to add it to your breakfast, yogurt, cereals, toast, etc., or, if you prefer, eat jam only. Why is this jam so effective? The answer is very simple. Prunes are high in fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar that softens the stool and relieves constipation. The important things is you could utilize prunes in a variety of means to treat this problem. You could include some dried out prunes to water as well as leave them overnight, after that consume the fluid in the early morning. This technique also assists soften your feces as well as vacant your bowels. The high efficiency of prunes for problems such as bowel irregularity has actually also been medically verified. Soluble fiber permits much more water in the feces, hence making it softer, bulkier, as well as most significantly, much easier to pass. Essential. In some uncommon situation, irregularity could show a much more major health and wellness concern consisting of colon or stomach cancer cells. In instances when bowel irregularity is gone along with by stomach discomfort, or blood in the feces, you ought to quickly seek advice from a medical professional. The good news is, persistent bowel irregularity could be conveniently treated with easy nutritional and also way of living adjustments. Boosting your fiber consumption via fruits and also veggies, consuming lots of water, preventing alcohol and also obtaining even more rest could give you long-lasting alleviation from bowel irregularity. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.